I looked into the JetHose Pressure Washer, and honestly, it shows a lot of the same red flags as other viral miracle cleaning gadgets. The ads make it look like a compact, handheld device that can blast away dirt with the power of a full-size pressure washer. But the actual specs and the customer reviews tell a different story. For starters, the JetHose isn't a real pressure washer. It's basically a nozzle attachment that you connect to a regular garden hose. That means the pressure you get is limited by your home's water flow. It can help with light cleaning like rinsing patios or washing cars, but it won't remove deep grime, paint, or heavy buildup the way the ads show. When I searched for customer feedback, the reviews were mixed at best. Some people said it worked fine for basic tasks, while others said it felt cheap, leaked easily, or didn't increase pressure at all. A lot of the promo videos seem overly edited and unrealistic. Another concern is the pricing. You can find similar hose nozzles on Amazon for much cheaper, and many of them work just as well or better. Overall, JetHose isn't necessarily a scam, but it's definitely overhyped. Don't expect professional pressure washer results from a small hose attachment.